It all seems like a dream come true. Just a few months back, I was just another mass comm student whiling away my time at the college canteens. Today I'm a trainee reporter at one of the nation's top news channels. And what more, the editor's office called me up yesterday. They said the old man wants to meet me. I wonder why he's called me.
Coke, the worldwide favorite drink, may have found its nemesis in India. One by one, the Coke plants are facing flak. The accusations range from raising questions about the quality of the drink to business ethics. They say that the MNC is draining out our resources. They're depriving the community of natural resources like water and are not giving back anything to the society. They also say that the water used in the bottling plant is contaminated and that Coke is not concerned about the environment. This is Varsha Dutt reporting for Channel News, Delhi.
This is your story. Can you go through it carefully? Remember, this is just the beginning. I want you to find out कि story के पीछे का story क्या है. I want you to get a proper story which has to be sensational.
लेकिन सर कोई special angle तो होगा ना?
तुम काम तो शुरू करो. If your story is good enough, you will get the prime time slot. Field report.
And what is the peg of the story, sir?
Truth.
So, story क्या है?
Coke.
यार, why don't you guys just leave them alone?
ऐसा क्यों?
First of all, I think ये story saturate हो चुकी है. Security this, safety that, environmental hazards, health hazards. इसको coke पीना होता है ना? वो coke पीता है.
जहान मैं भी पीती हूँ, but that's not the point. देख जहाँ इतना धुआं है वहाँ तो आग होगी. And ऊपर से I think if there's some गड़बड़ then the public should know.
ठीक है. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. शुरू कहाँ से करना है?
देख public opinion लेते हैं, bites लेते हैं, and then we see how it goes.
खालू. इन एमएनसीज को दिल्ली ने इंडिया से भगाना चाहिए. काला ड्रिंक, काला धंधा. ठंडा नहीं, डंडा मतलब कोका कोला. ये याद रखिए.
बाल्टी भर भर के कोक पिया है. Nothing has happened to me. I'm still alive and going. Thanda matlab Coca-Cola.
Soft drinks by and large are having a lot of problems with pesticides, caffeine, and one has even heard of if you leave Coke on the floor, on a marble floor for overnight, it kind of turns black. It's got acid in it.
Frankly speaking, I am very confused about that. That whether to believe the public, the media hype, or whether to believe the Coke people.
I'm 70 years plus. For the last 30-40 years, I am taking this drink, and really I love it.
We should not drink cold drinks as they have pesticides in it.
So what they're worried about are the safety issues around Coke. They don't have any other problems about the taste, the flavor, the brand appeal. In fact, many of them swear by it. But they're moving away from it because of these so-called ingredients which are harmful to health. They say that Coke has caffeine and acids which are harmful and that Coke causes obesity. Let me check with the doctor.
See, caffeine is present in tea, coffee, chocolate, soft drinks, and in moderation it is not harmful to the health. Soft drinks alone cannot cause obesity unless they are consumed in abundance with refined carbohydrates or they replace normal water drinking.
Perhaps I should also see what the company has to say.
Soft drinks, like other food products, do contain acids. The quantity of acid present is comparable to other food products like orange juice, pomegranate juice, lemon juice, etc.
Okay, so I was running up the wrong tree again. There really is nothing wrong with the ingredients in Coke. But what do I do for my story now? Without a peg, how do I progress?
Looking down and out?
Nothing, yeah.
Nothing? तेरे चेहरे पे लिखा है. There's something in your mind. Come on, out with it.
Nothing, Johan. I think we are missing a very important agenda. If so many people are talking about and complaining to the MNCs about the water issue, there has to be something wrong. I know where to begin, what to do. I'm terribly confused.
Have you ever visited a Coke plant? Why don't you just go to a Coke plant? I'm sure you'll find something.
I've already planned that. Get the camera unit ready.
Right now?
Of course, right now.
This time I'm sure to nail them down, because this time I'm approaching them from another angle. This time it is about depleting groundwater and using contaminated water. But their water purification system seems to be flawless. This company is just too careful. They follow the national, international and in-house safety norms by the book. I'm convinced that every drop of water used in the manufacturing process is meeting world-class standards. Phew, another false lead. But I still have another card up my sleeve. Of course, if they have such huge plants in so many places which produce such large amounts of soft drinks, they must be drawing heavily on groundwater. This is definitely creating drought-like situations in neighboring farmlands. Let's see.
This is a village near the Rajasthan bottling plant of coke. We are now going to meet the direct sufferers of the draining operations of coke.
सबसे ज़्यादा पानी की समस्या है।
बरसात हो रही नहीं है, पानी का दोहन ज़्यादा हो रहा है। कोक जैसी कंपनियां राजस्थान में आ गई हैं जो अंधाधुंध रात और दिन पानी का दोहन कर रही है।
कहाँ से पानी पियेंगे ये लोग? सूखा है जबकि 50 बोरिंग चल रही है यहाँ पर आसपास की, तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्या?
तो मैंने तो सुना है उन्होंने 50-50 बोरिंग कर रखी हैं।
नहीं कोई 50 बोरिंग नहीं है, ये 4 बोरिंग है।
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोई 2% आदमी ऐसे हैं जो खिलाफ चले जाते हैं, बाकी सब पक्ष में हैं।
बताना चाहिए, मालूम भी पड़े हर गांव में, हर क्षेत्र में कि मतलब ऐसा कोक कुछ फायदेमंदी कुछ काम कर रही है।
ये कोक क्या है कि जैसे इसने एक गिलास पानी का निकाल लिया, तो ये क्या है कि एक गिलास पानी का निकालती है, उसके बाद में ये वापस जमीन में इतना पानी डाल देती है और इतना ही काम में लेती है।
तो आपका कहने का मतलब है कि जो मैं अभी तक सुनकर आई हूँ आप ही के गांव के लोगों से, वो सब गलत है?
ये सब गलत है मैडम, और अगर आप नहीं मानते तो चलो आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ।
These are simple village folk supposed to be the sufferers. Yet their perspectives are curiously similar to some specialists I met back in town.
In the recent 3 to 4 years, Coca-Cola India has taken a very big initiative in promoting rainwater harvesting.
Based on the interaction and the joint activities that we've carried out, I feel very encouraged that this company is on the right track.
I have no doubt that the allegations against Coke, that they are damaging the environment and they are depleting the water sources, is devoid of all material facts.
I have to admit, this is not what I expected. Here I am trying to rest the case on irresponsibility, and my convict MNC is showing its sense of responsibility in everything that I've experienced till now. I've almost started believing that the convict is not guilty after all.
The coke plant is also facing a lot of heat at the Mehdiganj plant in Varanasi. Roshni Gupta for Channel 1 News, Kala Dera, Rajasthan.
One thing is for certain, these people have come from outside and their sole motive is profit. If we look at it from the business angle, then they will go any distance to maintain their profits with no regard for social causes or environmental concerns. That was a shock, I must admit. Here I am in search of some flaws in the corporate governance of Coke, and the first person I meet here is a deaf and mute person employed by Coke. He said there are over 250 others like him, and this is not the only welfare measure taken by Coke.
प्रधान जी, आप हमें बताना चाहेंगे कि इस गांव में मैंने सुना है बहुत विकास चल रहा है।
हमारे गांव में कोका कोला की तरफ से भी कुछ कार्य हो रहा है, जैसे 2 हैंड पंप लगे हैं, स्वास्थ्य के लिए एक डॉक्टर हमेशा यहाँ बैठते हैं, और शिक्षा के विषय में भी यहाँ कुछ लोग काम किए हैं।
आपको क्या लगता है कि कोका कोला आपके गांव के लिए जो विकास कर रही है वो किस लिए कर रही है? अपने मतलब के लिए कर रही है?
कोक जनहित में कार्य कर रही है।
I came here to see whether Coke treats its water to remove all the effluents that are present in it. As per the officials, the water going out of the plant is completely treated and is according to the regulatory norms. I'm here to meet Mr. Kalika Singh, who's the Assistant Environmental Engineer with the UP Pollution Control Board. I'm going to ask him whether the story given by Coca-Cola about their water treatment is true or not.
फैक्ट्री से वाटर वॉशिंग या प्लांट वॉशिंग से जो भी बहिस्राव जनित होता है उसके लिए उद्योग ने एक्टिवेटेड स्लज प्रोसेस पे कंप्लीट इफेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट स्थापित किया है। जो भी बहिस्राव जनित होता है ट्रीटेड बहिस्राव वो अब तक बोर्ड के मानकों के अनुरूप पाया गया है।
Coke has numerous environment awards to its credit, but it's surprising how little these initiatives get represented in the media. Even social initiatives like cleaning of Varanasi Ghats don't get good enough media coverage. Quite contrary to the image of Coke making it rounds in the media, the MNC seems to be steadfast in its social commitments. Here too I didn't find anything worthwhile. Yes, lots of interesting things about Coke and its welfare initiatives, its environmental concerns, but that's all. The reports about the wrongdoings of Coke seem to be based on loose rumors rather than hard facts. Let me get back to the office and try to figure out what to do with all this information. I've gone through all the accusations making their rounds. I've met a lot of people who knew only one side of the story. A lot of my own assumptions were also proven wrong. No, I have nothing significant to make a sensational story. I have to face the editor today evening. I really don't know what to say to him. Maybe I will just say the truth. I will tell him that I tried my level best to find signs of weakness in Coke, but failed each time. I searched for harmful ingredients in the product. There were none. I looked for contaminated water. They have the most sophisticated filtration process in the world. I went in search of groundwater depletion. Found that they're giving back most of what they're taking out. I looked for social discrepancies. Found that these people are exemplary in their social commitments, both about their own people and the communities around them. I wanted to catch them from the environment angle, but found that they already have a comprehensive environment management program. I wanted to prove them to be the devil incarnate. They came out as a company with a soul. It's bound to get fuming hot inside the editor's room once he watches my story. That too after spending money on 2 outdoor trips. Man, I really need a Coke now. Bhai sahab, ek thanda dena? And the poor uninformed people get entangled in these protests because they never know the entire picture, the other side of the story. They are misinformed. Media will also have to accept its responsibility for creating a situation like this. Roshni Gupta's report for Channel 1, Varanasi.
So this is your story.
Yes, sir.
You seem to have covered all aspects. Didn't you see anything negative about this MNC?
I'm sorry, sir, but this is not a sensational story.
You may not realize this, but at times truth is stranger than fiction. Your story is sensational and it looks to be the truth. Hello, newsroom. Yeah, can you ask Shantanu to come up immediately to my room? Yeah, I have an urgent story for him to be aired tonight. Okay, thank you.